the 4 rules that I'll kind of give someone to kind of follow if we're not going to track any kind of macros, I'm usually going to make sure that number 1, can you eat your 4 proteins in a day? Let's find 4 times, 4 dedicated proteins. That's number 1. Number 2, I always make sure that they understand my 2-4-1 rule. And that's just about fiber. And that's really telling someone, we know we're getting enough fiber, which has so many health benefits, when we can make sure we're getting 2 fruits in a day, 4 handfuls of non-starchy vegetables, and 1 meal at least with beans, oats, or potato. If someone can do that, we know that we're moving them closer to their overall fiber goal, and it's gonna end up benefiting them again in so many ways. So that's number 2. So protein, the fiber 2-4-1 rule, and then number 3 is the travelers. I try and make sure, okay, let's identify fats in all of your meals. Can we make sure that we're only going to be keeping 1? And those might change. I might have someone who just needs 5 proteins in a day. Maybe I have someone who needs to kind of think about that 2-4-1 rule. Maybe it's going to turn into a 2-4-3 rule, right? So they're getting 3 of those starches in a day. So number 1, protein. Number 2, fiber, 2-4-1. Number 3, your travelers, your fat items. And number 4, it's as simple as hydration. Let's focus on, can we get, at least between like 2 to 3 liters of water into you a day? And if someone can accomplish those, and we start to see something like their body fat dropping, do we need calories? Do we need macros? No, we don't. We're fine. And I can end up adjusting what they're eating or change up my suggestions for them pretty simply. We can kind of keep rolling from there, which is awesome.